Welcome to Kinder Mommy. So today I'm going to do a recipe for making marble Oobleck, or you can also call it as marble goop. So it's a very easy recipe and you just need 3 ingredients. So today I'm going to do this with Jordan itself. So Jordan's going to help me, right? Say yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, he's going to help me. So the first thing that you need to do is you need 1 cup of corn flour. So here I have 1 cup of corn flour. I'm going to mix this here. Yes, that's flour. So I'm just going to spread it out a little. I'm not giving it to Jordan, otherwise he's going to he's going to spread it all over. Okay. So after this, the next step you need to do is you need to take half cup of water. Now in this water you can mix whatever colors you want. So I'm going to mix 2 food colors to give it a marble effect. So if you want a marble effect, you can add in more than 2 colors. So with 1 color you will not get that effect. So I'm going to mix in pink and blue. Okay, so I'm going to mix in a little bit more. This was pink and blue. So I'm going to mix in pink and blue. Okay. Okay, after that, just stir it a little in. Just going to stir this a little bit. Okay, and I'm done. So now I'm going to mix this water. Okay, so this boy is playing. You can see that? Oh, and now we're gonna do a little bit of mixing the colors. Okay. Okay, it's a little tough to do this because it's hard. Jody, you want to try? You want to try doing this? Yes. It's actually mixed already. See the color, it's so beautiful. Yeah, now we're going to use our hands. Okay, I'm going to use hand. See, it's yeah. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Jory, come on. So you can see it looks very hard. The feeling that it gives when you make an Oobleck, So this is a really good sensory for your toddlers. So please try this out with your kids. You can see when you try to hold it, it's very hard. It's very hard here. And then when you release it, it's completely, it's kind of liquid when you release it. And when you're trying to grab it, it's really hard. It's really hard. And now you can just release it. Right, baby? And then you want to show your kids something more, like an experiment. You can try adding in colors. Joy, let's add in some color. So I'm going to add this color in front of him. And I'm going to ask him to. Jory, can you do this? Yeah. Mix it up. Yeah. Can you mix it? See? Mix it up. Mix it up the colors. Yeah. See? Wow. See the color? Hold it and leave. Leave like that. Yes. Nice, right? Hope you guys like this recipe and try this out with the kids. It's really fun and you can see what Jordan is trying to do right here. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Jordy, say bye. Do bye. Bye. Do you like it? See? Yes. Can you do this? Can you do this? Like that.